Hello class 8th students, it's a part 18 chapter 4 science. Answer the following questions in brief, means it's a short type of answers. You need not to give the answers in the like a long. So in a 2 or 3 line you can complete these answers, okay? Question number 1, what is corrosion? So we know this thing, we read this thing, that a process of slow wearing away of a metal due to attack of atmospheric moisture, means when the metal getting corroded with some environmental factor like moisture, gases, okay, they form a layer of oxide, they form a layer of oxygen over them. It's considered as a corrosion, or we can say the process of slow wearing the process of slow wearing away of a metal due to attack of atmospheric moisture and gases on its surface, it's called the corrosion. Okay, we see the corrosion in the copper, in the silver, and rusting of iron is a good example of this corrosion. The next question is this: which property of metal makes them suitable for use in jewelry? So we know this thing, when we made the jewelry having so many designs, so metal should be ductile and malleable, means it converted into some wires and in a thin sheet. So both property, which ductility and the malleability of metal help to give the willingness design, help to give the any design to the jewelry. These two property with this luster also, means if they are shiny they attract the pupil. So all three things, which one? Ductility, malleability and the luster. The third one, what is the difference between sonority and the ductility? Sonority, we know this thing, when metal produce the sound, this is known as sonority, and when metal converted into thin wires is known as the ductility. So the sonority and ductility are the different things. The next question is this: write one use each of any two metals and non-metals. Means you have to write one use of each, means you can choose any two, metal or non-metal. So one use of them. So the metals, we choose the gold, it is used in the jewelry making. Silver, it is used in the conductivity of electricity or heat. In the non-metal you can choose sulfur, it is used in the matchstick, and the next non-metal, that is phosphorus, which is used in the it is used in the sulfur in the fungicides and insecticides, and the phosphorus in the producing matchsticks. So any two metal you can choose. As I told you, the whole table of the metals and non-metals used, so you can write any two metals use here or any two non-metals use here. Okay. The next question is that why are metals used in making electric cables and wire? Because metals showing the property of ductility, means they converted into the thin wires, and second property is that they are good conductor of electricity. Due to these two property, the metals are used in making electric cables and wires. Thank you class, we continue in the next video.